Big welcome, my friend. Anxiety is almost inevitable of being alive on this planet because life is so challenging and we have to perform so highly all the time that it produces a lot of stress and anxiety. But anxiety can easily be managed and harmonized so we can feel much better. Let's dedicate this meditation to shift from feeling stress into feeling calm and comfortable. Make sure you're sitting or lying down comfortably. And let's start by deepening our breath. And when we exhale, just feel that you're losing and releasing tension. Again, a deeper breath in. Exhaling and releasing tension. Now, instead of focusing on anxiety, try to bring your awareness into your whole body. Feel how your body touching the ground. Feel how the breath moves in your body. Try to notice if there are differences between left and right, front and back. And then, if you can, try also to notice the energy field surrounding your body. Just ask yourself, do I feel expanded, radiant, or do I feel opposite, oppressed, like there's a pressure from outside pushing on my system? And we start to harmonize. Most important is to keep the mind as vast as possible. To recognize that there is infinite space around you. And to recognize that this space is vibrant and alive exactly like every cell molecule inside you. Your body vibrates and the whole creation vibrates, in fact, exactly the same. When you're acknowledging such a vast space around you, and more than that, you're acknowledging that that space is alive, exactly like the space in your body, then the tension starts to soften because it has infinite space to surrender and dissolve into. Let's breathe a bit deeper. And when you exhale, visualize that you're spreading all the tension from the inside of your body like rays of light into the whole creation. Again, inhale deeper. Exhale, expanding light into the whole creation. Now connect to your heart center. When you feel stress, when you feel compromised, and invite that tension again like a sun to open up into the whole creation. In fact, you can visualize that concentrated energy of tension and anxiety within is becoming undone and expanding to transform into the most beautiful sun, radiating and illuminating the whole creation. Let's do the same in your abdomen, in the solar plexus and lower abdomen. Invite those areas to expand and release their tension into the whole creation. Now ask yourself, can I recognize nervousness within me? It doesn't have to be full-blown anxiety or panic. It can be just a sense of nervousness, as if my system is not completely relaxed. If that's the case, try to recognize that nervousness as a whole, meaning like layer or layers all over your body. And invite the tension to soften, to open, to relax into the vast, infinite creation. As much as you're expanding your awareness, acknowledging infinity, the truth of who you are, meaning acknowledging that you feel that your existence, we can say your body, doesn't end. That vibration you feel inside you, they're actually in the whole creation. And when you allow that imaginary border between what you call you and the creation to dissolve, immediately you feel, I am all there is. All there is am I. In that state of being, anxiety is impossible. Tension is impossible because you are everything. But normally when we shift from being in a human identity to being an infinite being, we have to call the tension produced by the dual existence to relax and soften and be surrendered. Blessing on your practice, my friend. Any question, don't hesitate to get in touch.